Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. How are you guys doing this beautiful morning? You guys know that I just celebrated my birthday, so on this video we're gonna be unboxing my birthday gift. I call this birthday gift the best birthday gift of a lifetime because it's so important to me. It's so important to me, and of course it's also important to this channel. That's what I'm sharing with you. Okay, you guys will know the reason why I said so. Come on, let's go. My gift is here. What is in the box? Are you ready to unbox this with me? Are you ready? Are we ready? Now let's bring it inside. Okay guys, so this is me and hubby unboxing this box because it is so huge. Yeah, so it's never a job for one person. Okay, remember I asked you to guess what is in the box. Did you guess? Just leave the comment down below. Let me see people that can actually guess. Okay, I know you may have known, or you may have guessed right. Yes, you may have been correct, of course. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, I don't want to say anything until we are done unboxing. But guys, when I say that this gift is the best gift of a lifetime, you guys know what that means. I mean, something that will keep you fit, that will keep you healthy all your life. What do you need? I mean, health is wealth, right? Health is wealth. So guys, here I am unboxing my treadmill. Well, this treadmill is not gonna just be for me, it's for everybody in this family that is ready to keep fit, that is ready to lose weight. Okay guys, so this is what we are doing. You guys know that I have been struggling with my weight. I've been struggling with my weight for the past how many years now. So I believe that this treadmill is going to help me to keep fit, guys. Okay, so look, this is us fixing, screwing, and doing every necessary thing that we need to do in order to, keep it in good shape before we start using it. And here is our treadmill, guys. It's almost set. And let's take out the wraps. Here. Pack these things for me.
Okay. 1, 2.
How do you know about this? On it here. Laputa. It's on! It's on!
It's 2.
Okay, now we're going to test our treadmill for the first time.
For the first time! Now, which speed do you want to go?
Don't come here. This thing is not for you. This one you're asking me if you choose this speed where I want to go. So this is the start button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we go? It's moving! Woo! What? So now we're going to put in the oil. This is our oil here. Came with some oil. Gonna pour it in here. So I'm putting in the oil. I believe this is a sample oil. Putting in the oil now. I believe this is a sample. Ooh. working. It's get away, Chagazam. Get away.
Wow, that's so fast.
Hey!
Mama, are you about to stop?
Yeah. Yay, got it!
It's my turn to do.
Also, guys, this mini stepper here is also part of my gift. Yay! We are going to transform this space completely. Okay, so let's unbox this mini stepper. Also, I have been longing for a mini stepper. Oh my goodness, because I strongly believe with this and this, I'm going to lose all the weight I have always wanted to lose. Okay, all my baby weight. Now let's unbox this guy. Let's do it. Okay guys, here I am unboxing the mini stepper, because I have been hearing a lot of positive reviews about this mini stepper. I've been watching so many videos about it on TikTok, on this YouTube, that it's working, that it works, you know. So I've been planning on actually getting one for myself since all this while, and I'm so grateful that I finally got it. Trust me, and I believe that it will work. Well, we can see. Let me unbox and test it. Okay, I can't wait. I'm so excited for this lifestyle that I'm about to start right now, because most of the time I don't have time to actually leave the kids and go to the gym, you know. But with this, I can actually exercise at home when they're around me, or maybe when I can take a break 30 minutes. I'm still at home, right? I know what is going on, so I can actually exercise and work out in the comfort of my home with all this gym equipment. I'm so grateful, and the reason why I'm posting this video is because I want you guys to be part of this journey with me. I don't want to do it alone. Doing it alone might be boring, so with you guys, I believe that it's gonna work. A lot of people also is struggling with their weight, yes, so I believe that I'm going to inspire and encourage a lot of people watching this video and being part of my weight loss journey, because I really need to lose this weight. This year I've already said that I've already mapped out the amount of pounds I'm going to lose this year, so I will work towards it and make sure I actualize it. Okay, so if you're still watching this video, please kindly like this video. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, be so kind and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And of course, turn on that notification bell button so that you don't miss out in any video that we post. Okay, I appreciate you guys a lot. Keep on watching. Let's test this equipment to make sure that it actually works. Okay, I have to put in a battery here. Oh, I see. This is where you can connect this, because when I saw this wire here, I was like, are you guys sure that everything is okay? So you have to connect this to this, and you put a battery in here, and everything is good. Yeah, I hope so. So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to text it for you guys. I'm so happy. Oh, it came with a battery. Wow, awesome. I was going to look for one, but it came with a battery. So I'm going to connect the battery here. I'm going to attach this now. good to go. I'm good to go. Hey, guys, I'm good to go. Let me try and step on it. Hey, my body is already on fire. Just this little one. This is real. This stepper, now Obunga, honestly, God of mercy, because you're going to be using your energy to step. This feels like when you're climbing a very high step, how you feel, right? That is exactly. And this time around, you're going to put in so much energy. You have to step. As you guys can see, I'm going little by little because I'm just starting. I need to find my balance and whatnot so that, oh my God. So here is the final view of my little gym area. Hi, this is my first day, guys, and I can tell you that you can see it is real. It's burning. Oh my goodness, these two things here, oh my God, it is real. The sweat is real. It is real, guys. I am burning. I am burning. I am burning. Oh my God. Whew. My birthday is in a few weeks. Let's see what I can burn before then. And that will be for this video. Thank you so much for, oh my goodness, this little man. Let me just do my video in peace. Oh God. Oh, thank you. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Please go ahead and join my family, our YouTube community. If you've not, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell button in order to get notified whenever we post our video.